Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the Steam numbers for the Windows market share, or the market share of the operating systems with gamers, of course, because Steam is mostly used by gamers. We all know also that gamers tend to have higher-end systems that are more modern and often are compatible with the latest technology, so it's no surprise that Windows 11 users might be higher on gaming machines than the standard users. So, what are the numbers for September? We have Windows 10 is, of course, the big chunk of Steam users at 68.5%, but that's down 0.5%. Windows 11 up 1% at 24.8%, so it's almost 25%, almost 1 out of 4 users in Steam are on Windows 11 now. Windows 7 continues to stay there at 2.4%, Mac OS 2.3%, and Linux 1.2%. So interesting to see that Windows 11 has a steady and constant rise among gamers on Steam, and it is also interesting to see the comments where a lot of the users actually find that Windows 11 is great for gaming. So this is pretty cool to see that, and it's interesting, but we don't have any numbers that are available for any other platform, unfortunately. We don't have anything that has come out for a while on the standard users. You know, what's the market share for Windows 11 in general? We don't have much details on that. Last time we had numbers, they were probably around the 15% mark, but that tended to be maybe on the high side. And it's fair to say, and I wouldn't be surprised that Windows 11 adoption is probably very sluggish at this time. I don't think it's rising very fast. A lot of it has to do, of course, with the minimum requirements. So, anyways, we'll see if we can get any numbers from other vendors out there that might have something to give us for what the standard users of Windows, what's the percentage of the market share for the different versions. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.